There was a time in my life when I was obsessed with getting rich fast. I was chasing shortcuts, jumping into high-risk investments, gambling on the next big thing, and telling myself that financial freedom was just one lucky break away. In fact, it wasn't until I quit trying to get rich fast that I actually started building real, lasting wealth. And today, I'm going to share with you exactly how I made that shift and why it made all the difference. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more real money talk, and comment below. Have you ever tried a get-rich-quick scheme? What happened? The false promise of fast money. We've all seen the headlines, turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. Quit your job and make 6 figures a month from home. I fell for those promises. I thought I could shortcut the hard work. I dabbled in risky stocks, cryptocurrencies I didn't understand, side hustles with no real foundation. I made a few quick wins, but even faster losses. Every win was followed by a bigger mistake. I was addicted to the idea of instant wealth, but I was ignoring the truth. Fast money is unstable money. The moment everything changed. One day I looked at my finances and realized I wasn't building wealth, I was gambling. I had no safety net, no plan, no stability. And then it hit me. Wealth isn't about speed, it's about strategy. It's about making decisions today that will pay off tomorrow, next year, and decades down the line. That's when I decided to quit chasing get-rich-quick schemes and start building wealth the smart way. Here's what I did instead. I focused on financial education. I read books, listened to podcasts, followed experts who talked about long-term investing, budgeting, and financial planning. I realized I knew almost nothing about how money really works, and that ignorance was costing me. I created a real plan. I built a budget that tracked my income and expenses. I prioritized saving, investing, and eliminating debt. I gave every dollar a job, whether it was for bills, savings, or investments. I invested smarter, not faster. Instead of gambling on the next hot stock, I focused on diversified index funds, ETFs, and assets with a proven track record. I automated my contributions so I didn't have to rely on willpower. I started small but stayed consistent. I embraced patience. I stopped expecting overnight success. I understood that wealth isn't built in a day. It's built over years of disciplined, strategic decisions. Why this works. When I quit chasing quick cash and started thinking long-term, everything changed. My money started working for me instead of against me. I stopped stressing about losing it all overnight. I could sleep at night knowing I was building real stability for my future. I realized that true wealth isn't flashy. It's quiet, steady, and intentional. What I learned. Desire for fast money often leads to reckless decisions. When you're focused on instant results, you're more likely to take unnecessary risks. Real wealth is about control, not speed. It's about having the discipline to make small, smart choices that compound over time. Patience pays. Most of the wealthiest people didn't get there overnight. They got there by playing the long game. For you watching this, if you're feeling tempted by the promise of quick money, or if you're frustrated with how long it's taking to build wealth, this is your sign. Slow down. Focus on strategy. Play the long game. Educate yourself. Make a plan. Invest smart. Be consistent. I promise you, the results you'll get from smart, steady wealth building will far outweigh the fleeting thrill of fast money. Drop a comment. Have you ever tried to get rich fast? What did you learn from the experience? What's one smart money move you're making today? I want to hear your stories. Let's learn from each other. If this message resonated with you, smash that like button to show some love. Subscribe to the channel for more real, actionable financial advice, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Because here's the truth. Wealth isn't a race. It's a marathon. And you're capable of crossing that finish line stronger, smarter, and more secure than you ever thought possible. This is your sign to quit the shortcuts and start playing the long game.
Let's get rich, smarter.